Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will teach you how to measure the angles. To measure the angle, we need a tool called protractor, which you can see in the screen right now. Let's measure this angle. To measure this angle, I will keep the protractor at the vertex. So this is the vertex. Vertex means a line joining points of the angle. So I will keep at vertex. So keep it such that the midpoint of the protractor. So midpoint of the protractor is three line joining point. It must be exactly at vertex of angle and the 0 degree lies on the line. So this is the horizontal line. Note that this protractor has two set of number. You must select this set because when you keep the protector at left, then you must count from right. If you keep the protector at right side, then you must count from left. Since it is left side of the red line, you can see it is kept at left side, then you should count from right. Always measure anything, whether it is angle, length or weight, always the starting point must be 0. So count from 0, so 0, 10, 20 and 30. So 30 degree is the angle between two lines. Let's see next example. So in this case, the vertex is right side. Now I will keep the protector at right side. Then count from left. So from 0, I will count 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, and we have small 5 lines here. So 40 plus 5, 45. So 45 is the angle between two lines. Next, this one. This one has a vertical line. You can see blue line is a vertical line. So vertical line always represent 90 degree. You can write directly, but you can see through protector. So from 0 to 90, you can see the line exactly at 90. So it is a 90 degree because it represents quarter circle, quarter rotation. So full rotation is 360, then quarter will be 90 degree. If you divide this with 4, you will get 90 degree. Let's see next one. So in this case, vertex is at left side of the red line. So I will count from right side. Okay. So right side there is a 0. So from 0 to I will count till the blue line. So you can see the blue line. It lies between 120 and 30. So it must be 125. Both of them are a horizontal line. It represents 180 degree because we can have semicircle here, half rotation. Full circle is 360 degree, then half will be 180. That we can check through the protector. I will place at vertex. So this is the vertex line joining point. So keep at vertex. So count from 0. You can count from this 0, left side 0 or right side 0. You can choose any one. Now I will choose the left 0. So no matter you count from right side or left side, you will reach the same result 180 degree. So this is 180 degree. Let's see some basic about angles. Full rotation, complete circle represents 360 degree. Then half rotation will be 180 degree because half half of the 360 is 180 degree, that you can divide with 2, then you will get this result. So horizontal line represents 180 degree. Similarly, if you cut the circle into four parts, four equal parts, then you can see quarter rotation is there. So quarter rotation is 90 degree. So once again, if you half the 180, you will have 90 degree. So vertical line represents 90 degree and horizontal line represents 180 degree. Let me show one trick. so that you can understand clear about angle. So whenever you have L shape, so it represents 90 degree. So that you can see here in the 90 degree, there is a L shape. So L shape will have always quarter rotation. So it will be a 90 degree. So if the angle is smaller than L, okay, lesser than L, then we can say clearly it will be the angle will be lesser than 90. If the L is large, fat, then we can say it will be greater than 90. The purpose of giving L example is to make you avoid the confusion, because some students may have confusion, this is 120 degree or 60 degree, since the protector has two set of number. Now by the L rule you can understand, if it is larger than L, then it will be larger than 90 degree. So the 60 degree is not possible, so it will be 120 degree. Let's solve two questions. Draw two lines such that angle between them is 60 degree. To make an angle, we need pencil, scale and protractor. First take your scale, ruler, that is ruler, and pencil, draw a horizontal line. It can be 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter. Okay, draw a horizontal line. Then take a protractor, keep at any end point. Now I will choose the left end point. Okay, so this is the end point. So keep at end point. Then mark 60 degree. Since it is at left side, I will count from the right side. From 0 you should count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So this is the 60 degree. So I will mark with the pencil. Now join these two dots by using scale and pencil. So this is 60 degree angle. So mention it. So this is 60 degree. You can check once again using the protector. Draw two lines such that angle between them is 120 degree. First step is draw a horizontal line using pencil and ruler. It can be 4 to 6 centimeter. Then take the protector, keep at end point. You can choose right or left. Once again, I will select the left side. So keep the protector such that the midpoint of the protector. So midpoint of the protector is three line joining point. So keep at end point. So fix it with end point and start count from 0. Since I kept the protector at left side, I will count from the right. Okay. Always this 0 degree must lie on the line. So count it from 0 till 120, because the question is about 120. From here I will count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. You can see 120 is here. So exactly I will mark here with the pencil. So this is the initial point where I kept the protector. So join these two dots using scale and ruler, scale and pencil. So this is 120 degree angle. So this is 120 degree. Once again, you can check with the protector. Let me show two examples to make you clear about angles. So this is a triangle. So the question is about angle B, measurement of angle B. So I will keep the protector at vertex. So vertex is the line joining point. So this is the vertex of B. So I will place the protector. Since it is at the left side, I will count from right, from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 60 degree is the angle of B. Now let's consider this rectangle. The question is about angle B. So place it at vertex of B. So count from the left side. Since B is at right, so I will count from left side. From 0 to I will count till the line. So you can see line at exactly 90. So this is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree.